Guys, look at my chicken, this steam chicken perere. Then I had chicken, we put our good meat. We put our good meat. Good meat. This good meat. Yes, guys, look at the good meat. I want slice. This is a good meat. We add them for the chicken. Hey, we'll be preparing achi soup. One of the Igbo soup. They call the soup achi soup. Hey, guys, chicken, goat. I say don't sleep with the food they go. Mamma mia. See ogbonge goat. So guys, we no go use all this one. This one just come out for freezer. So go dey use some one or keep some. This animal. The animal they go dey cry inside the pot. Put on for our pressure pot. We put fire. So we go dey put our chicken. We go put spices. When I had chicken, I love cooking with hard chicken. It's like that chicken for payina. The gas is there. The chicken be that. So guys, as I want to put them for pressure, put some more water. So we're going to put salt. Because this one, after we will cover the pot, make it warm, make it done. Cook and make it done. We will put this Maggi salt from chicken perere. We will put this one. Green spice. We're going to put this black pepper. It's not black pepper, but this one is hot. So but I have the one with the hot. I got it. We'll put ginger, garlic.